All right, today we're going to be unboxing and hooking up this Rode SC3 audio adapter cable. Let's see how easy this is to open. It's like it's got a little plastic tab here. And there's nothing inside except the cable. That's it. So this is a TRS to TRRS. So how I'm going to use this is I have these wireless mic. This is the one that plugs into my phone, but I have this lav mic that I like wearing, but it's TRRS, and if I plug that into this, I don't get audio. So I need to convert this TRRS with this guy to TRS. Now if I'll show you here. If I plug this in, nothing. There's nothing you can see on the screen. But if I plug this adapter in and plug that mic in, something. All of a sudden the lav mic works. So right out of the box, super straightforward, does its job.